Hi everyone, welcome to Poultry Farm. Today we'll talk about the three chickens. The chickens proud in the farm for eggs production. The farmer said to all three chickens, I need all of you to work hard to produce a lot of eggs. The three chickens talk each other about their job and productivity. Each one decided to take separate decision. Let's talk about this chicken. She decided to work hard to produce a lot of eggs per day, so the farmer will give him whatever she wants. And she got. But the farmer said, I want more and more eggs. At the end, she got tired and become weak. Ultimately, the farmer ate the chicken.
This chicken not interested for work, so she decided to make herself crazy. She thought the farmer will leave him, but unfortunately she became dinner for farmer.
And she decided to select between of these two to be in the middle, not work hard and not be lazy, work as normal. Therefore, she is still alive and with good health. So you decide which of them you will choose.
Hey chicken, what are you doing there? Come here, we have work to be done.
Yes, boss, coming. Thank you all. Goodbye.